Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can manage the same WhatsApp channel on different phones. First, let's answer the main question: can there be more than one admin for a WhatsApp channel? The answer is no. As written in the FAQ section of WhatsApp, as of now, there cannot be more than one admin in a WhatsApp channel. If WhatsApp makes changes to their terms, I will let you know in a pinned comment on this video. Now, let's move on to how we can manage the same WhatsApp channel on different phones. Go to the other phone that you want to use for managing your WhatsApp channel. Go to the browser and enable the desktop site option. First go to web.whatsapp.com. Now scan the QR code with the other phone on which you have created the WhatsApp channel to log in. Go to the main phone on which you created the WhatsApp channel. Open WhatsApp Business and then tap the three dots and go to Link Devices. Click Link a device. As of now, 4 devices can be added. Scan the QR code opened on the other phone with this one now to log in on the other phone. After logging in on WhatsApp Web, you can go to the Channels section and send messages in your channel.